So here's it is. So this song in English is called Farewell, My Love. Here we go. You walked before us, side by side, through joy and tears, with humble pride. Your voice echoes through the land. We hold your stories in our hand. This is the moment, here we stand, with grieving hearts and holding hands. Your love surrounds us even now. We lift our heads and make this vow. Farewell, my love, my heart still grieves, yet in my soul I still believe in love and peace on sacred land. Your light endures, it knows no bound. We place you now, you're not alone. You're lifted to a higher home. From earth through sky, through time and breath, we sing of life that conquers death. Tomorrow's dawn will rise again. Your merry bird through sun and rain. And when we pass from dust to flame, your legacy will speak our name. Farewell, my love, my heart still grieves, yet in my soul we still believe in love and peace on sacred land. Your light lives on, it knows no bound. We place you now, you're not alone. You're lifted to a higher home. From earth to sky, through time and breath, we sing of life that conquers death. Farewell, my love, farewell, my love. Farewell, my love, farewell, my love. Farewell, my love, farewell, my love. Farewell, my love. Farewell, my love. Farewell, my love. So this was the original song called Farewell, My Love. And I do have a Māori version on this, Te Ro Māori on this one, and it's called Haere Rai Te Tau. And this was inspired through a request from a minister who wanted to do, or have a song for a committal. When a priest, committal refrains, when the priest, after the song is done, the priest would say, ashes to ashes, dust to dust. God's great mercy, in Him we trust, and so forth. And so this is where this song got inspired to write. And so no reira e te whānau, as we're getting close to Puanga, as we celebrate the start of Puanga, the Tahu Māori, and then we got Matariki, Puanga te Tuakana, and Matariki te Taina. And so as we celebrate and remember here in Aotearoa, New Zealand, as we celebrate these two important stars that's coming up here soon in a month's time, in July 2026. So know that, and this I always use this song for the star Puitekawa as a remembrance song. So no reira te whānau, ora mai te roa te kōrero. No reira, kumui tui taka kōrero, mihi ana ki o koe te whānau, I tēnei wā no reira, tēnā o koe te kia ora tātou.